Welcome to Web&app. In this video, I will show you how to turn off tracking activities on Google. To do that, go to google.com, log in by using your Google account. Click Profile Picture at the top right. Select Search History. Select Saving History. From here, you can turn web and app activity on or off. To turn it off, press this button at the top that says On and select Turn Off. It will say new activity won't be saved in your web or app activity. Click Got it. And it will say your activity hasn't been deleted. You can delete your activity by clicking this button, Delete Activity. Or if you choose to keep that activity, press Got it button. That's it. Now Google won't track and store any of your web and app activity. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.